Here you go. Put that down here. Alright. Mess with this machine and see what I can do. Oh, wait. Alright, what do we do? Polymer 20s on that wax. 21. How do you do that? Are you filming right now? Oh, Tommy. So please wait. Ooh, it's getting windy. Do I just pull it out or do I? Nice video on YouTube. Don't film yet. I want it to look smooth. Oh, come on.
Y'all hang on.
Hello. I'm just trying to get a car washed with the card in there.
Which wash? You got to select the wash first.
Oh, I thought it was highlighted. Polymer Pro 21.
Please pay with either credit card or cash.
There you go.
Okay. Thank you. I never do this. Hardly ever, so yeah. Keep it back in my wallet. I gotta put my seatbelt on, I guess.
I gotta hold this. Ow. My back. Dang. Oh, look, get the
Did it roll up the window? Yeah. Well, next time I do it. See, last time I used cash, so this time I used card. Now I know how to do it. Must be reported before leaving car wash. All complaints, huh? Alright, so I get one wheel in there. See if I'm sure where my wheels are. That way? What are you saying? Right? Am I on there? That was very mild. Are you filming? Give us all the soap you can. Well, I guess he would. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh. Wait a minute.
Dang it.
Neutral, no brake. Okay. I didn't know we were starting now. Alright.
No public restrooms.
Oh my god, neutral, no brake. I'm so used to having my foot on the brake.
Oh.
I can tell they love their jobs.
Oh, I can tell them. vacuum section. And I think that's it.